Hi guys, in this quick video I will show you the parts consisting of your Audi A6 C6 type 4F xenon headlight. To be more precise, these parts are used at pre-facelift models at Audi A4 C6 models from 2004 till 2008. Let me show you in action. As you can see, your xenon system is consist of three main parts: your xenon ballast, your igniter, and D2S type xenon bulb. If you don't have a low beam or a high beam, indeed most of these headlights are bi-xenon constructions, you have to check one of these parts. The main part is the xenon ballast. It's Hella made with part number 5DV008290-00. This is your xenon ballast. Another main component of your xenon system is the Hella xenon igniter with metal shielding. This one has a part number 5DD008319-50. This is your xenon igniter. And the third part consisting of your xenon system is the xenon bulb itself. It's D2S xenon type bulb. As stated, in short, if you don't have a low beam, one of these three parts is faulty. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, just drop down at the comment section and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks again, all the best, bye for now.